tyrant. But America the Great is and was a leadership full of saints. And you think that slavery's been abolished, but the only thing that's been abolished is slavery based on race. And you think your money represents gold, but what true value does gold hold anyway? And you think that weed should be illegal as you sit there on the bar stool and order another drink. You contradict everything that you say you believe, and what you think is merely based on what everyone else thinks. But tell me, what do you believe? And you think that freedom resides in America, a country that currently holds the highest imprisonment rate. And you think as wars are justifiable, as we lose our civil liberties more and more each day. And you think police are for your safety as we enter into a fucking police state. And you think that Jesus is the answer as you ignore all of his teachings and refuse to follow his ways. You contradict everything that you say you believe, and what you think is merely based on what everyone else thinks. But tell me, what do you believe? So tell me, why is it that I become scared? Every time they drive by, I have to be prepared, cause they treat me like some kind of criminal. By force they control me, but this badge means nothing to me, cause police are most definitely programmed to be whatever the real criminals tell them they should be. To serve and protect was the ideology, but the government said fuck the people and thus committed tyranny. They contradict everything